everyone, welcome to D-Don Kitchen. Guess what guys, D-Don is in the kitchen to show you a different way of doing breadfruit. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like and share the video. And to all my YouTuber supporter, follower, subscriber, a very big warm welcome to you all. Let's get started. For our breadfruit, it's so simple. All you need is some salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oil, cooking oil, your breadfruit. This breadfruit is turned. I hope that it is good, because you never know what is on the inside. The outside is looking good, but we can't tell how the inside is. So let's hope it's good. And you have to ensure you rinse the breadfruit properly, which I already done. With the stem right here, you're just gonna remove the stem or the core out. But this little part, no good, you put in the garbage. With our breadfruit already rinsed and all of that, we're just gonna move over to the stove. You're gonna need a pot of water, boiling water, to place the breadfruit in. So follow me over to the stove. Now we're over by the stove. We're gonna place the salt in and the oil. Beautiful people, you're watching this video today and you haven't yet subscribed. What are you waiting for? Please be sure to subscribe, like the video, share the video, hit that notification bell. So when D-Don is doing a video, you'll be the first one to know. And now we're gonna place the breadfruit in. We have enough water to cover the breadfruit. Don't worry about that, because the steam will penetrate it. And we're gonna let this breadfruit boil just as it is for the next 45 minutes. And you're gonna cover it. So in 45-minute time, I'll see you back, guys. So guys, it's 45 minutes and I just want to open the pot. But let me tell you something, when you're boiling the breadfruit, if you see the water go down like that, do not use cold water. Ensure that you have boiling water to put on the breadfruit. If you put cold water, it will let the breadfruit become tough or drunken, the breadfruit, so it will take a long time to cook. It's soft. As I press my hand, you can see that it's soft, but you want to get it up, and I just want to turn it up. So I turn it up, because this is all you have to do to get it tested to see if it cooks. So now that it's like that, you just wanna hold it so it don't go back to light on the side. And with a sharp knife, you're gonna come right in the core right here. And it's not cooked yet, see the knife? I have to give it some more time. So I'm gonna give it half an hour more and I'll be back with you. So that's 45 minutes already gone. So I'm just gonna turn it on the next side that it wasn't on. And remember, if you're gonna put water, you have to use boiling water. It's gonna be like 1 hour and 15 minutes. The next half an hour gonna bring us to 1 hour and 15 minutes. I'm just gonna cover back the pot. Just gonna pour the hot water, the boiling water, on the breadfruit. So checking in again, guys, 1 hour and 15 minutes with the breadfruit boiling in the water in the skin. So we're gonna see now if the breadfruit is boiled. With the knife, we're gonna come again in the core right here. And you push it in. See, it go right in. So now we know that our breadfruit is cooked. It is boiled. You're gonna take the knife out. And you're gonna turn the fire off. And don't go away because we're not done yet. There is more to this. So I'm just gonna let the breadfruit cool down and I'll be back with you. So now the breadfruit is finished boiling, guys. And I test and I show you that it's ready. It's time for peeling. So we finished peel and this is the core. You have to get this out. So this is the breadfruit, guys. Boiled breadfruit in the skin, and on the plate there, as you can see, is a boiled breadfruit and oxtail. Done, I've done a video how to do oxtail, more than one video. So you can have your boiled breadfruit with oxtail, escabeche fish, curry chicken. I done video on all of these, guys, and they are finger licking good. So check out my video, guys. I love you all. Please take care. Please don't forget to what? Subscribe, like the video, share the video, and leave a comment, hit that bell so you will be the first to know when I put out a video. Bye bye. Take care.